हेलो वेलकम खुश आमदीद स्वागतम ahlan wa sahlan to my channel Engineers Construction Analysis. This is Arshad Khan, a mechanical engineer with over 20 years of experience in United Arab Emirates in different kind of projects. In this video I am going to tell you about the drainage system, its application, its design concept and the taking over checklist. If you are looking for a villa or townhouses, or if you wanted to rent a villa or townhouses, this video is very essential considering the drainage concept. First of all, I will tell you the area for the drainage system. You have to have go through, check it, or see the concept of that, and then I will tell you about the drainage accessories which has to checked before the taking over of the villa or apartment, villa or townhouse. The area, first of all, you have to see the every toilet. You have to check the toilet, their drainage system. You have to see the on the floor, all the drainage, all the water is flowing towards the flow drain, or inside the shower, the drain should be towards the shower drain. Bathtub is properly installed. You can put the level indicator there to see the level properly level or not level. Plus in the wash basin, it is connected to the flow drain. Shower drain should be connected to the flow drain. You can put the water and just see remove the flow drain cover and see the all water is coming to the flow drain or not. Furthermore, open the flow drain cover and see that there is inside the plug. That plug should be removable in case of maintenance. That plug is very useful. Sometimes you see the flow drain is offset. If you open, you cannot access the plug. That is not acceptable. This is wrong installation. You have to inform to the developer that this is not acceptable. This is the thing you have to check in the toilet, plus check if the AC is there, AC unit is there, that AC is connected to the flow drain. This is the same concept. You can go to every toilet and check whatever the drainage system is there, it's properly functioning or not. Then you can go to the kitchen. In the kitchen, you have to see the same concept, the kitchen sink. Through the bottle trap is connected to the flow drain. Water, just open the kitchen. If there's the double bowl kitchen sink, put the water in the both the bowl and see the water is going to the waste pipe through the flow drain. Plus all the drain area in the floor should be sloped towards the flow drain so that flow drain can have the water, whatever water on the floor that should go automatically with the slope towards the flow drain. There should not be any stagnant of water on the floor. Furthermore, the another things of the flow drain, again you will see the plug is accessible. Then there should be the flow drain should have the water seal that stop actually the smell. This is also important to see. There should be 70 centimeter, sometimes 80 centimeter. There should be the water seal. From there you can smell can be stopped from that. Okay, sometimes flow drain cover also provided with the cockroach trapper also, insect trapper also they have. If they have, that's fine. If not, it is not a problem. It's not a big deal. This water seal or a smell, if you are a new villa going and after long time you are going, maybe that water can be dry, then in that case you just put initially the water, then see it is the stagnant water is there, holding some water is there to stop the bad smell also. This is the for toilet. Then kitchen you have seen. Plus you can see in the kitchen, if you have the dishwasher facility, if you are looking for dishwasher, there is some provisions for dishwasher. Sometimes they provide separate laundry with the flow drain. Sometimes they have the laundry provision inside the kitchen. That you can see with the developer what the provision he has given. Then you should go actually on the roof to see the drainage provision on the roof. In the villa, if you see on the roof, you will find the rainwater outlet. Rainwater outlet cover the particular area or a particular area, means all the roof should be rainwater should cover. Yani, in other words, I can say the whole roof should cover rain into the rainwater outlet. There might be 1, 2, 3, 4 depending on the roof area. Every area there should not be any obstacle, yani any different upper stand area without water provision, water drain provision is not acceptable. All open area should be covered with the rainwater outlet. Means any rainwater outlet, there should be some area that okay, this water is sloped towards one rainwater outlet, another area divided, means there should be slope towards the rainwater outlet. All areas should be covered. On the roof, this is the only drainage you will find it, and another thing you will find in the vent pipe, vent coil it is called, from where the vent of the whole building drainage system is coming to that. This vent coil acts as a two-way. One thing is that it has the vent system, a smell is going out from the whole drainage system. Furthermore, it has some positive pressure or atmospheric pressure to the drainage system for the proper drainage, draining of the water. This is the roof. You have checked whole drainage system. In case there is AC unit there, like DRV, there is the drain, CDP is there, condenser drain is there, that should be also connected to the drainage system. This is what we are looking for the drainage on the roof. Then every floor, as I said, we will see the kitchen area and toilet area for their drainage system. And in some cases you can see the clean out above the false ceiling for the pipe connection, where in case of maintenance you can go open the clean out and clean this one. This is important factor. If you go, then you can go to the ground floor. Ground floor, the important thing you have to see from the system, there will be the two pipes. One is waste pipe, another is soil pipe, which is connected to the drainage system. Soil pipe will be directly connected to the manhole, and waste pipe will be connected through the gully trap. This is important. You have to check for every floor the drainage. You put the water in the WC and pipe should or water flow should go directly to manhole. It should not go to gully trap. That's the thing you have to find out. Both the connection should not be mixed. It is very important. If it is mixed, it will be problem in future. Okay, then waste pipe, all the wash basin is connected, kitchen sink, yani all other except the WC, the connected to the waste pipe, which is going through the gully trap before entering to manhole. This gravity test you can do for every floor. Finally, you can check at the ground floor that it reached to the manhole, from manhole to another manhole to final manhole. Final manhole is called final inspection chamber. From the final inspection chamber, this water goes to the municipality drainage system, housing connection system. You can open the all manhole cover. You can see there should not be any water stagnant there, or water should come with a minimum velocity starting, and slowly speed of water increases, and it goes finally to the outside municipality connection. Plus, you can check the gully trap. You can open the gully trap cover. You can see the water is coming from the building and it is connected with the waste pipe. In the gully trap, there must be the water stagnant. This is the system that is kind of also like a flow drain. Flow trap, there is also the gully trap. That is why it is trapped. Means water seal will be there. All the manhole or most of the manhole, they provide with the GRP tray to avoid the sand entering into the system. If the manhole inside area or garage area, there should be the dry manhole. Dry manhole means if you open the manhole, you will not find the water, but there will be inside the pipe with the access where you can open the access and see the water flowing. Means you can inside another access is there. For the inside area, it is the government regulation. They provide the dry manhole, or if it is gully trap, it should be a dry gully trap. Furthermore, the external drainage system, or if it is external drainage system connected to the system, they provide the sand trap bucket. Means in that the external, because Dubai weather is sandy, sand comes, sand should not go to the west line, a whole system. That's why they provide the sand trap bucket. From there, it passes through the bucket and go to the west line, and you can future maintenance. You can remove the sand from the sand trap. Again, it's a routine checkup. You can do it. Sometimes grease trap is provided, particularly for the kitchen area, kitchen west line, so that all the grease can be trapped, can be removed for the maintenance. But for a small kitchen, it is not mandatory to have the grease trap. Rainwater from the roof, it is free discharge on the ground floor. That you can see the discharge should be not on the entrance, it should be on the other area where the plants are there. Some other dead area can be discharged for the roof water in case of rain, or the water will come, and it is the standard for the Dubai municipality that it should discharge freely on the ground. This is the way we can check it, the drainage system. But the critical for the drainage system is to check and the clean out. Clean out is very important consideration, because drainage is purposely every routine. Something will happen, something blockage is come. It is normal blockage can come, but the solution for the blockage is to open the clean out. You can do the rodding and get the system again clean. Choked up, blocked up, it happens, but we have provision in the design that clean out should be there on the ground. It's floor clean out, where you can, wherever the joint, from the joint there will be nearby the clean out. The maximum distance as per authority is 15 meter or up to 16.2 meter. It is the Dubai building standard is there for the clean out. However, it is normal practice up to 15 meters accessible we can do, or wherever the branching is there, joint is there, junction of the pipe is there, we have to provide, particularly for the soil pipes. Means soil pipe means which is coming from the WC, water closet must have the clean out, because mostly the chance of blockage is there. The two main consideration that there must be the clean out for the removing the blockage, floor clean out, or another aspect is vent system to be provided. Like first manhole must have the vent pipe, and the last manhole final inspection chamber should have the vent pipe. This vent from there should go directly to the roof or away from the building. This is the consideration we have to see before taking over the villa and townhouse. Furthermore, for the taking over, you can have the document like all the system checked by consultant. You can check the acceptance confirmation from the authority. You can take the consultant checking for all the manhole, drainage, slope. You can have the paper from there, as built drawing you can have, plus final building acceptance certificate from the authorities mandatory. You can check it before taking over the villa. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll get back again with different topic. Okay, till then, bye. Thank you.